Davey, welcome to the last daily vlog.
I know, last daily vlog of August.
I hope that you can actually see this right now. And I hope you can hear as well. We're in town. We're going to be collecting our final PO box package.
Yes, that's very true.
Because it got bounced back, but somehow we managed to save it. Looking forward to checking that out in a bit.
Yeah, just going to go look at some shops, maybe pick up look at some clothes for our trip to Italy next week.
Still trying to figure out what Dave should wear for a wedding in Italy. So comment down below, let us know what Dave should wear.
It's going to be like 26, 27 degrees. It's a wedding, so obviously it'll be smart, summer smart.
Also, while we're walking past this board, there is a woman here. Every time when I look at that, I always think, is that Charlotte? Is that Charlotte Ruff? We got the parcel, it's quite heavy. I'm excited to see what it is. Yes, just checking all the back to school stuff. Look, sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? Oh, the summer stuff's nearly going. They're kind of trying to fizzle it all out. It's all student stuff now. Yeah. Got all the Christopher Robin stuff. Look at this paper. Read the blue paper. Decorative stencils. What's the other stuff? Got some Christopher Robin tape. Tags. Decoration pattern. What's this one? What's these? Oh, little cards. And these are little cards. That's really cute. Obsessed with all of this stationery. Like, quite literally. Sticky notes. Sticky notes. Let's have a cheeky look in. Primark. I found a flannel shirt, which I'm going to try and do a Disney DIY on it.
Future video coming
this month. Next month is going to be future DIY stuff. Oh yeah. So yeah.
Lots of things.
How cute are those shoe liners? They're really squishy and they're really furry there. They're amazing as well. Cool, they're so classic.
Proper retro.
Oh my goodness. Sleepysaurus. Oh my goodness, how cute. Oh, here you go. I like these ones better. Look at the chip onesie and Mrs. Potts onesie. That's really cool.
It's even got pockets on the front. Got little pockets.
Oh yeah, it's backwards. Hey, I'm back home. This is the big parcel here. This is from Jennifer. Thank you so much. Dave's just had to go and pop into work, but he has said to me, open the package because obviously I'm very excited to have a little look. And yeah, he will look a little bit later on. Can you hear this? That's my neighbours. I normally do this with scissors, but I haven't got a pair of scissors at the moment. Is anyone else like this in their household where they buy tons of scissors, like lots of pairs of scissors, but somehow they disappear and you don't know where it's gone? Oh my goodness, I've just opened this and the smell is quite intense. Oh, it smells really sweet. Let's have a look. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Jennifer, seriously. Right, Davey's going to be very, very happy. Let's have a little gander. Ooh, oh my god. Oh my goodness. For Dave, he has got his milk chocolate flips. He loves flips. Like, he is obsessed with them. And the UK tend to bring them out, but then they discontinue them and then bring them out. And then discontinue them and then wait for a few years and then bring them out. Like, he loves flips and he loves the American version, so he's gonna love that. Thank you so much. We've got a huge selection of awesome coffees right now. We've got caramel apple, pumpkin spice jack-o'-lantern, and we've got Highland grog. You sound amazing. And then there's s'more time. How incredible. It continues. This continues. Like, look at this. M&M caramels, amazing, love them. I've got a whole Ziploc bag of goodies. We have got in the Ziploc bag some Total Freshness cooling body cloths. Oh my life, thank you. Oh gosh, these. Do you know what? Even though the temperature has gone down in the UK, we are off to Italy next week and it is really high temperatures out there still. So these are going to come in very, very handy. And then we've got some raw sugar natural hand wash. That's going to be perfect for, you know, when I finish the gym. I've got some baby MAC Pro makeup remover. There is so much in here. Sephora, I miss Sephora. I've got some Sephora cream lip satins as well. Little blending sponge. The Essence of Norway. Are these the ones that they sell over in Epcot in Norway? Because they remind me of them. The little perfumes and little body creams and hand creams there. We've got a Moroccan oil treatment. Oh my god, these bodies are so amazing. Some more fresh towels. And then you really didn't need to. Oh my goodness. We've got the Sephora collection brush set, makeup brush set. Oh wow, I love the colours of this. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. They're glittery. We've got some pumpkin spice Cheerios. It's the season. Next one is this huge, oh, I love this. We've got this bag, let me open it. I have to open this up, like, hold on. Okay, I've literally had to switch the light on and it's quite a, it's not camera friendly light, okay? So I've had to switch that on because obviously the sun is going down because that's the season now, it's getting darker. I've got this amazingly thick tote bag that say KrispySmore on it, KrispySmore. Man, that's so fun! This is amazing. This is just so thick and oh my goodness, this is amazing. Thank you, look at my tote bag. We are taking this to Italy for sure, I know that for sure. Because we're using Airbnb for the first time, we have a kitchen. So, and Dave wants to cook some really good Italian stuff. So this is going to be perfect for the market, for sure. The last few items are from Bath & Body. The candles. Jennifer, I can't, oh. I'm gonna cry, stop making me cry. Stop making me cry. Oh, I've lost you, hold on, you're back. But my camera started to cry as well at the same time. I love traveling out to the States during autumn time. It's like, cause like, you guys do it right, okay? You do autumn right. And for us in the UK, it's pretty much we're back moaning to rainy weather and muddy puddles, and we just want it to get over and done with. But I love autumn, and we were both gutted when we had to move our trip to next year. You know, stuff that's beyond our control, and to be honest, it was the sensible move to do that because we were off to Italy to be a part of my my friend's wedding, which I won't miss for the world, and you know, we had the half marathon. There was just a lot of things that were going on that we had to move it over to next year, and I was kind of gutted. I was like, I'm gutted that I won't be able to get any candles or anything, and Jennifer, thank you so much. I mean, this must have cost you an absolute fortune, and I'm so grateful. I bet you're all wondering what candles there are, and I still have my head cold as well, so bear with me. So the first one is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. This has warm cinnamon, fresh ground clove, vanilla cream and brown sugar. Oh my gosh, it kind of gives the same sort of smell as the Christmas shop in Disney Springs. I was about to say Downtown Disney then, and it's not, it's Disney Springs. The next one is Caramel Pumpkin Swirl, and that one has caramel, ground cinnamon, rich brown sugar and creamy vanilla. Oh wow, oh that smells so good. The next one is Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, which is maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice and brown sugar. Oh my life, that smells amazing. And then the last one that we've got is Pumpkin Apple, which is red delicious apple, full pumpkin, fresh ground cinnamon and clove buds. Oh, that is a different smell. That is lovely. This is like a really good scent for the transition from autumn to winter. Still, it has the sort of autumn scents, but then it has the clove that's very winter scent. That smells so delightful. Jennifer, seriously, thank you so much. I mean, this must have cost an absolute fortune to send over, and we are incredibly grateful for what you've sent. This is just all amazing. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you so much to everyone's like letters, postcards, handmade things, gifts, presents, everything. Like, thank you so much for like sending stuff into the PO box, and we're really gutted that we had to close it. So we are trying to find other alternative addresses, so we will definitely keep you up to date. We are truly grateful for everything that you send. It must cost you an arm and a leg to send it over to us, and we are so grateful. And as well, thank you to all of you guys as well for even commenting and sending your private messages, sending your emails, everything. Like, you all mean the world to us. Oh, I just had to run over to the office right there and delete yesterday's vlog and try and re-upload it again. Sorry, I'm cooking my tea at the same time, you know. What normally happens when you're editing, sometimes some files off your SD cards become corrupt, so you have to re-upload them again. And sometimes they're very sneaky, and they don't tell you until you've actually fully rendered and tried to save the actual video. And luckily today, before we went out, we watched it all and was like, oh, I can see the missing file. Let's sort that all out and re-render it again. So we did that, and then everything came up fine, and then lo and behold, what did I do? When I went to upload it onto YouTube, I selected the old video that had the missing file in. So there we go. I'm very sorry about that. It will come back in a bit. It's only one little tiny sort of like 5-second clip or 10 seconds sort of thing, so we'll get that sorted. Thanks so much for everybody who has just let us know, and I'm like, oh, gotta do it. That's what I'm gonna say about this community. You're there for us. Thank you. And because it's our last vlog, we cannot forget to say hello to these bunnies. These bunnies have been out all day. Thanks for nibbling on my string. So these guys have actually come back off their holidays, and they came back, haven't you? And then you're only gonna go back on holiday again next week, aren't you? But they're both doing very well. This is the reason why you've not seen them, is because they've not been here. You've been enjoying yourselves, haven't you? Binkying around in someone's back garden, which is brilliant. As you can tell, Jess is doing well, and so is Logan. Here's Mr. Logan. Hello, Mr. Logan. Hello, darling. I'm going to give him one of these little treats now, which is a maple syrup, which are oatmeal crisps that one of you guys actually bought for the bunnies. There! Should we give it to you? Look, she's already after it, look. Tell her she loves them. One for you. One for you, Jess. And one for you, Logan. There we go.
Hello everybody, I am back from work, and from what I can see in this house, Steffi's been unboxing a few items that we got from a package from Jennifer. Thank you so much to you, and a massive thank you for the flips. They've just brought these back from the UK, and yesterday I may have purchased 3 packets, and I may have eaten them all. And I may eat all of these. I can't promise anything, but thank you very much for everything, including the candles, and it was amazing. Like, the tote bag is absolutely awesome. Like, we were talking about it, like we're going to take it probably with us to Florence when we go to Italy, because that is an amazing bag. Thank you so much. Super grateful, but and more importantly, thank you for the flips.
Good morning, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
We did end the vlog yesterday, but we got a little email today to say that the pumpkin spice latte is now available for all Starbucks members. So we kind of thought, why don't we end the vlog by having a PSL?
Yes, I think that's a good idea. So we're going to go to Starbucks and get Steffi's PSL.
But while we are there, I bought this a few years back in America, and I'm wondering, because they have now started charging people for, you know, containers and stuff, you know, in Starbucks. I'm wondering if they can fill up my Starbucks PSL travel mug.
Let's see what happens.
Let's see, because I hope they do, because I would use this so much more. Literally cannot wait to change everything over. Let me just try this out. Let me just try this out. Ooh, that looks so good. All things bright and pumpkin spice.
No pumpkin, great or small.
All things bright and pumpkin spice. Where pumpkins rule them all. I am on it today. I am on fire.
So we're in our local Starbucks.
Yeah, look. Pumpkin spice. It's the exclusive. It's the special.
Yeah, so it's got the pumpkin spice cream and then rose gold sort of like niblets on the top.
I have taken into consideration the calories in this.
And Steph is going to drink her first one of the season.
That cream is amazing.
Is it? Is it good?
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
It tastes like gingerbread, doesn't it?
That's good. And the little chocolate nibbles are awesome as well.
At last.
Steffi has got her love.
For my love. And everyone's looking at me like, how's she got that mug?
Yeah, where did she get that mug?
I don't know if you can see them in the back, but are they Christmas mugs? No, it's all gone. No. I'm gonna have to say my PSL did taste so much better in this mug. I'm so happy. Hey!
And we're back.
It's like we've not moved.
Exactly.
We have definitely moved. Yes to using your own cups and mugs for Starbucks.
It's very good.
Maybe we can use these guys.
What?
We could just come in and go, can I just have a pumpkin spice with this?
My Magic Kingdom mug. Like, where'd you get that from?
Yeah. Oh. So guys, we're going to wrap it up for today. I really hope that you enjoyed today's vlog, and also I hope that you enjoyed the whole of Vlogust.
Yes.
Cannot believe it's gone so quick.
It's already September soon, so it's gone super quick. But thank you very much to everyone who watched. Thank you for your support. Thank you for joining our live streams that we do. You know, you're absolutely awesome, guys. We love you very much.
So we have got one more day of Vlogust, and that will be my favourites that are coming out. You're just having a little bit of a break with Chef Dave.
Yes.
Because the rest of the recipes that you're going to be doing is very Halloween inspired.
Halloween.
So they will all return back in October. You guys know what to do. If you did like this video, give it a massive thumbs up, really appreciate it. And if you have not already, click the red button down below and subscribe, and to make sure to smash that bell button as well, so you are notified when we bring out future videos, like our Disney run videos.
Yes.
At Disneyland Paris. We've also got a Italy trip as well, which we're going to next week.
Super excited.
And just to let you know as well, on Sunday there won't be a Q&A video. We're just a little bit busy this weekend, so we're unable to do that for you, so we might be able to bring it out for next Sunday. So watch out on social medias when we start asking for your questions.
Yes, definitely. With that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and we shall see you tomorrow.